Thanks for taking time to watch my special market update. I know many of you are probably concerned about the market after back-to-back downturns. You're wondering what's to come. Are we going into a recession? Are things going to continue to get worse? And what action you should be taking. So, in looking at the Russia-Ukraine conflict and inflation, the Fed, changes that are coming about, the reality is no one knows what the market's going to do, but there are proven things that we can take advantage of to help navigate and seek returns even during tough times. So it's only natural when we see markets having this type of volatility to feel like we need to take action, that we need to get out and wait till things calm down. Of course, really taking those steps, all that we've really done is we've sold while things are low. When things calm down and rebound, we'll buy back in. And that's of course the last thing you want to do, but emotionally, it's natural for the average investor to want to take those steps. Long term, we look at the results and we see that the best returns come right next to the worst market days. And so just missing out on a couple of days, and looking at this graph, we see that just missing out on 5 days almost divides the long-term return in half. So we know that staying the course, staying invested in long term, that's the reason that we want to stay and keep investing even though times are tough. So those that are patient, those that stay invested are rewarded over the long run. So some things that you can do and take steps to make sure of course, you can always control your asset allocation. Owning more asset classes and diversification have always proven to give more consistent returns over the long run. And of course, if you're our client, we've already done that for you. We've made several changes over the last year to combat these types of changes exactly. So we feel like our clients are well positioned to weather the storm and take advantage of opportunities as things rebound. So if you take a look at this slide, we look at different asset classes, and you can see that the top performing asset class to the worst performing asset classes change from year to year. But focusing in the middle with asset allocation and diversification, we get a more consistent experience regardless of whether we're having bull markets or bear markets. So when markets are down, there's also opportunities. And of course, portfolio rebalancing and looking at certain asset classes that have been beat up more than others provide more growth opportunities, and we can actually recover more quickly when markets do rebound. So we're looking at that for our clients and looking at those portfolio rebalancing opportunities to enhance returns. The second thing that you can do to take advantage of when markets are down is pay tax. Pay tax when things are down. So either through a Roth conversion or taking advantage of, if you own company stock and are retiring, you can take net unrealized appreciation or tax loss harvesting in your portfolio. So paying tax while things are down and then really benefiting from tax deferral when the markets do gain back to their previous levels. Now, it's a great opportunity for investors to enhance the return through tax planning. The worst thing you can do is panic and make emotional decisions, and that's what we're here for you. We want to help you get through these tough times. We've been able to do that previously in multiple market downturns. This isn't our first rodeo. We've seen this before, and time again, I just feel more confident that we know the right things to do. Staying invested, focusing on asset allocation, looking for opportunities, and staying the course and looking at your overall plan. But at any point in time, if you feel uncomfortable or nervous or losing sleep about it, give us a call. Let's relook at your plan together. Our goal is to help you feel confident in navigating these tough waters. These are tough times, but together we'll get through it. We appreciate your confidence and trust. Looking forward to seeing you soon.